Hi everyone, I'm really excited today to show you the front-end architecture of an invoice app that was generated by Zynerator. So let's check it out. After generating our project, the first step is to clone it. Open an empty folder, navigate to the desired directory, and use the command git clone to bring the project files to your local system. In this case, our project is called Invoice App v1111. We'll open our project in IntelliJ, navigate to the front-end directory, copy its path, then go to IntelliJ, select File, Open, and paste the path, click OK, and open the project in the window. Well, our front end has two main sections, the public and admin section. The public section is accessible without logging in and includes components like Contact Us, Footer, Home, Top Component, and more. The admin section is where the main functionality lies. Here, users can perform actions like activating accounts, changing passwords, logging in, and registering. It also includes views for invoices and products as well. The Invoice Module is a separate feature containing components to create, edit, list, and view invoices. Although the invoice item was flagged to be excluded from front-end generation, it is important to know it exists in the backend for reference. Before working with the front end, run npm install to install necessary dependencies and avoid any errors. For the product component, we also have options to create, edit, list, and view products. All these components make up our user interface views. Next, let's look at the shared resources. The shared folder includes key items for interaction with the backend, criteria, model, and service. Criteria, we have multi-criteria search functionalities similar to the backend. And when it comes to the model, models including DTOs are here to represent our data structures. And finally, service, the service layer handles communication with the backend for invoice service, invoice item service, and product service. These services include familiar backend methods like find all, find optimized, find paginated by criteria, save, delete, and edit, etc. That's it. Now you know the basics of the front-end structure. Try generating different apps with Zynerator and see what you can create. Thanks for watching.